And then back to G-bonds. So meron na tayong portfolio. So what we need is to buy. Then naka pre-sale kasi ito. So buy natin. So max units. So or lagyan natin 25,000 para sa G-bonds. And then since meron palang convenience fee, so max units na lang. Mag-exceed ka kasi. Okay? So transaction total amount, ayan. So ganun. May investment ka na. So kung ano pala may transaction, so naka pre-order na siya. So currently, meron kang 500 minimum, buying price 1 peso. So yung interest rate is up to 5.31 with a default. So issue date sa 13 pa, pero yung maturity sa 12. So ibig sabihin, yung pera mo is makakuha mo pa after November 12, 2025. So yun. Salamat and subscribe for more tips.